Hello and welcome to our stay here at 4 Points by Sheraton in Phuket, Thailand. Today, I'll take you on a quick tour of the resort. We'll walk to our room, check out the pool area, explore the lobby, and end with a view of Patong Beach. I'm starting on the 4th floor, heading to room 3404. The hallways feel modern, clean, and bright. The resort definitely has a fresh, contemporary look. Here we are. This is a 1-king bed guest room with a pool view. The room is comfortable and well designed. The king bed looks inviting, and the decor feels calm and minimal. The highlight in this room is the view. You get a direct look at the pool, the palm trees, and the tropical surroundings. It gives you a resort vibe right from your window. Now let's head outside and explore the pool area. This is one of the best features of the property. There are multiple pools. Spacious lounging areas, and a relaxed beach club atmosphere. There are plenty of chairs and shaded spots. You can swim, relax, or just enjoy the environment with a drink. The grounds are well maintained, and everything feels clean and organized. walking back through the lobby. The lobby is open, modern, and welcoming. The design blends contemporary style with tropical touches. It feels upscale, but still casual and comfortable. Let's step outside to the main street. This is where you really feel the energy of Patong. Just across the street is Patong Beach. You get the best of both worlds here. Inside feels calm and resort-like. Outside feels lively and full of local culture. The location makes it easy to walk to the beach, explore the area, or grab food nearby. It's very convenient if you like being close to everything. The resort offers multiple dining options, fitness facilities, and family-friendly areas. It's also a great spot for couples, friends, and solo travelers. Overall, 4 Points by Sheraton Phuket Patong Beach Resort is a comfortable, modern, and well-located hotel. You get a relaxing pool environment, easy access to the beach, and the fun of Patong right outside your door. I would happily stay here again. If you want comfort, convenience, and great amenities, this resort is a strong choice. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the tour, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more travel content.